Hello and welcome back to Purdue ID channel. In this video, we'll show you how to simulate your website layout on various screen sizes and devices directly from the editor. Since the majority of customers browse and shop from their mobile devices, it's crucial to make sure your website looks great and functions well on smaller screens. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the Purdue channel, hit the like button below, and turn on the notification bell. From your Purdue website dashboard, go to Layout, then Edit Layout. Now look at the bottom left corner. You'll see three icons representing desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Click the tablet icon, and the screen will switch to a tablet preview. While you're in this view, you can make adjustments. For example, if a text element looks too large or too small, you can tweak it accordingly. You can also adjust the width of the preview by clicking and dragging the edge of the frame. You'll see a number showing the current screen width or resolution. This lets you experiment with different screen sizes and optimize accordingly. Now, let's click the mobile icon. The layout changes to simulate how your site appears on a smartphone. Just like in tablet mode, you can drag the preview edges to resize the screen and check how your content adjusts. This helps you fine-tune the layout so that it looks clean and responsive on mobile devices. You can also preview these changes directly from your phone. We've explained the full steps in a previous video, but here's a quick recap. Click the QR code icon in the editor, then scan the code using your phone camera, or copy the link and open it from your phone browser. If prompted, just log in using your admin email and password. Once you're in, you'll see a live preview of your website layout right on your smartphone. For example, if you update your product list to show as a collage or card layout, the change will immediately appear on your phone, even before you click Save. We've linked the full tutorial on real-time previewing from mobile in the description below. Now, one thing to note is that the number of product columns shown depends on the screen width you've selected. For instance, if you've set 3 columns in your layout but only see 2 in the mobile preview, try widening the preview window. As you stretch it, you'll see the third column appear. If you narrow it again, it'll go back to 2 columns. That's because the system automatically adapts the layout to the selected screen size. And when you switch to editing another page, let's say a custom page, the phone preview will automatically update to reflect the current layout you're editing. One important reminder: make sure both your computer and mobile device have stable internet connections while using this feature. If the connection is unstable, some delays may occur. All right, that's all for this tutorial. Give it a try and see how it improves your editing workflow. If you have questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Like this video and subscribe to the Purdue.id channel for more tutorials. Don't forget to follow Purdue's social media for more exciting content. See you soon!